ISC is Industrial Solar Consulting. We're an off-grid provider of renewable energy products to critical infrastructure and rural electrification. My name is Fernando Vigil. I'm the owner of Industrial Solar Consulting. Anywhere you need power and you don't have the conventional electrical grid to bring that power in, that's where we step up and that's where we provide our services. We have two primary markets. One of those is the critical infrastructure where we're doing communications. The other portion is the rural electrification, providing clean energy to communities, especially marginalized and tribal communities that need it. Some of these sites, you can't access them with a regular four-wheel drive. We kind of pride ourselves on the ability to work in these harsh environments. The logistics is really critical. Sometimes we'll be taking side-by-sides up to the site, snowcats or helicopters to get access. So making sure that we can get to these sites requires a lot of planning and preparation, which we've been really successful at doing throughout the years. ISC has been in business for over 13 years, and in that time in business, we've made relationships with developers, with financiers, banks, operations companies, maintenance companies. We have solidified our supply chain, so we buy direct from module manufacturers, from battery manufacturers. We've formed real relationships with these different entities, and we're gonna work on improving our systems and making them as efficient as possible and bringing down the cost to get those systems out to more people in need. We have this knowledge base that we've acquired through over a decade in the industry. And one of the things that we're proud about is being able to actually provide workforce development. Being able to train the local workforce gives us a resource pool that's going to benefit us and the community going forward. When we're dealing with our work on the Navajo Nation, that means hiring everybody from within that community. That way, the money stays with the community and the people that have a vested interest in what we're providing. Trying to give back to that community is something that's really important to us.